Welcome back to the last part of our discussion tonight, and we will move to the last session that is sharing vocabularies or idioms. About maybe you can share about vocabularies in vigilantism topic. Maybe start from you, Kak. New vocabularies that you can share to the smart listener or idioms.
Maybe for me, I think I want to just say that the idiom that I can say is above the law.
Above the law. What does it
Yeah.
mean?
So if someone is above the law, it
Uh-huh.
means that he like he really um like takes over the law. I don't know if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think that's the idiom that I know
Oh,
about it.
can you make the context of the sentence? Like, you make a sentence to the smart listener about your idioms. When they can use the idioms.
Oh yeah, the example. So for example, you see someone is getting violated in front of you, and or maybe we can just say that a governor, is that right?
Governor.
Yeah, governor.
Yeah.
Yeah, something. Yeah. So we could just say a governor is someone who is above the law. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you very much. Kak.
That's from me.
Okay. How about you, Fia? Do you have any vocabularies or idioms that you can share to the smart listener?
Well, because we talk about vigilantism, very angry. I have an idiom for very angry. It's called blow a fuse. Blow a fuse. Yeah, it's losing your patience.
Oh, patient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like outbursts of your anger or rage. So
Okay.
it's, you can call it a blow a fuse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right.
Okay, Kak Brian. Do you have any vocabularies or idioms?
Can I just conclude this section?
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. I just have a conclusion for this topic. Yeah. If yeah, you know that the vigilantism is bad attitude. So if you like see the robber or the person that have do like bad attitude, don't just
Punish
hit-
them.
don't punish them by vigilantism. Without any proof, because how to say, because maybe the person that you judge is a good person.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
I never do the bad thing.
Yeah. Yes. Let's police do the rest.
Okay, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. That's all, Kak.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to Samantha.
Okay, the new words or some vocabularies that I can share today. It's like perpetrator. Perpetrator means like pelaku,
How you
and
spell that?
perpetrator.
Okay.
And also victims. Of course, it's like the korban, the korban itself.
Okay.
And also apa ya? How to say? What else? What else we
Up
we
to
just
you.
talk about?
Up to you.
Maybe salsa bisa. You can add some more new words.
Yeah. Salsa, how about you?
I don't have any items that I can share to you guys, but I have new vocabs, such as pickpocket.
Pickpocket.
Pocket.
Yeah.
Pickpocket.
What is
Pickpocket means
Copet.
oh, dicopet.
apa tadi robbery,
Okay.
perampokan, and then we cannot say that apa tadi kak bahas KDRT.
KDRT.
KDRT violence,
Domestic violence.
Domestic
Yeah.
violence.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also the thing. You know, what is KDRT in English?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
I also
domestic
know that.
violence.
Okay, so that's the new vocabularies for not
Yeah.
only for the smart listener but also for the
For us, of course.
It's a new.
Okay. Oh, maybe for the last one, maybe Via, you can
Conclude
maybe
something.
you can share message. Oh, okay, Kak. A message for give
Smart
message
listener.
or something.
Over there.
Quotes or something like that to smart listener.
What is
Eddie.
it about?
About vigilantism, about
Vigilantism.
violence.
Advice.
Advice.
Okay.
Close
Just
our-
short advice.
Just for advice.
Close statement lah.
Yeah.
Close statement.
What is it? Let me think. So vigilantism is about what
Main
again?
hakim sendiri.
Yeah, main hakim sendiri. So I think the quote of the day is that we should give people their place, their
Okay.
own place, whether they are whether how bad that person is. We should really always remember that there is a place for every one of us.
Yeah. Oh my God. That's
Yeah, I
that's
think
very
maybe
beautiful.
that's the quote of the day, I
Yeah.
guess, and I hope that makes sense. Yeah. So.
sing it like
Mhm.
sing.
Kill them with kindness.
Okay, okay.
I don't remember the song actually. It was years ago.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, I think that's all for tonight, and that's all our conversation about vigilantism for tonight. And we'll back in Thursday later, next Thursday with the new topics, and that's of course interesting topic. And so
Yeah, you can.
thank you very much for listening, guys, smart listener, and bye bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you.
Good night, guys.